There are many products available to choose windshield washer fluid, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best windshield washer fluid from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Prestone AS658 Deluxe 2-in-1 Windshield Washer Fluid. If you are passionate about road trips like me, and your journeys take through different climate areas, Prestone AS658 Deluxe could be your ideal choice of windshield washer. I discovered Prestone at the beginning of the year when my last wiper fluid completely froze up on me during a ski trip to Aspen. After using AS658 Deluxe for almost a year now, I can say that I am very satisfied with the high quality of this washer fluid and how well it performs to keep the windshield clean. Overall, I couldn't find any fault with Prestone AS658 Deluxe 2-in-1, which is why I am rating it a 10 out of 10. Number 2. Rainx Windshield Washer Fluid. Is Rainx washer fluid good? Is a question I receive often from people trying to decide among the different types of windshield washer products available today, so I decided to include it in this review. Rainx Windshield Washer is an all-season product that I have been using on and off for the past 5 years. After so many years, you might think that I like this windshield washer a lot. I am rating this product a 9 out of 10. Number 3. NexSet 9210815 Kristall Klar Washer Fluid 1.200 Concentrate is a fan favorite, with thousands of reviews on Amazon. I was curious to see what the buzz was all about, so I bought this product last week to give it a try. So here are my initial thoughts. This ammonia-free, highly concentrated washer fluid is advertised as very good at removing bug splatter, brake dust, oil, and dirt. And this is no lie. I used it during a trip in the countryside, and I must say it did clean about 90% of all the dirt from the windshield, without leaving any white traces. You need to mix it with water, and a 8.5 Oz bottle will produce around 12.75 gallons of windshield washer fluid, which will last you for quite some time. It's non-toxic and also biodegradable, making it an eco-friendly choice. So far, I am rating NexSet 9210815 Kristall Klar Washer Fluid an 8 out of 10. Number 4HS 29606 Bug Wash Windshield Washer Fluid. If you live in a warm area and you want a product which is water repellent, ready to use, cleans your window very well, and removes tree sap, dirt, and road grime instantly, the HS 29606 Bug Wash could be worth trying. Although this windshield washer fluid has many good features, I can't really say that it's the best one out there. It's hard to justify its price compared to its performance. At the cost of $14 for less than 4 liters, and considering that this product will freeze instantly once temperatures drop below 32°F, it's hard for me to recommend it over others. With this being said, I am rating the HS 29606 Bug Wash Windshield a 7 out of 10. Number 5. Aquacharge Windshield Washer Ultra Concentrate. Used by many auto repair shops, and also recommended by Amazon as one of their best windshield products, Aquacharge is a highly concentrated wiper fluid. 1 bottle of Aquacharge creates 55 gallons of premium washer fluid, which makes this product extremely cost-effective. But this would be pretty much all that I have to say good about this product. Based on my experience with it, I would rate the Aquacharge Windshield Washer Ultra Concentrate a 6 out of 10.
That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make you life much more easier.